Hello dear students, today let us start next type of soil, that is black soil. So let us start. These soils are black in color and are also known as regur soil. This soil is in black in color. That's why it is called black soil, and its another name is regur soil. Why it is called regur? Because this soil is made up of basalt rock. When lava flows, when lava comes out from the earth, then that lava gets solidifies on the earth's surface, and from that lava new rock will be formed, that will be basalt rock. And this basalt rock, when it comes with the contact of some atmospheric agents like air, wind, we call it wind, glacier, rainfall, temperature, then this basalt rock, after weathering, this basalt rock will be converted into regur and black soil. This soil is suitable for cotton. That's why Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat, especially this soil is available. This soil is found in the states like Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Saurashtra, Chhattisgarh, some parts of Chhattisgarh. So this soil is suitable for cotton. That's why this soil is also known as black cotton soil. It is black in color and it is suitable for cotton. That's why it is called black cotton soil. It is believed that climatic conditions, now two factors are favorable for the formation of this soil. First is better climatic conditions, and second, parent rock material. Which parent rock is required? That is basalt rock. So basalt rock is a parent rock for this soil. Parent, Pitaji, we can say parent rock. Okay, so these are two important factors which are responsible, which are required for the formation of this soil. We have already studied that this soil is formed due to basalt rock, basalt region, and this basalt rock is there in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and where this basalt rock is available, there black soil is available, and the area of black soil is known as Deccan Trap. Where there is black soil, that area is known as Deccan Trap. We shall see in map this Deccan Trap. So some millions of years ago, when there was lava flow, and due to that lava, basalt rock was formed on the surface of the earth, and this basalt rock is weathered and converted into black soil. Now this black soil is found, or it is covered on the plateaus of Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and some parts of Karnataka also. Let us see in map. Let us see in this map of India. This is the central part where this grey color is shown. This is the part of black soil. So this huge part, this huge area is covered with black soil, and this is another part of Saurashtra and Gujarat also, some parts of Karnataka also. So this area is also known as Deccan Trap. This area is also known as Deccan Trap. So we were discussing its area: Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and it extend in the southeast direction along the Godavari and Krishna Valley also. So this is the huge area covered by this black soil. Now this black soil is suitable for cotton because it has one unique feature. Which unique feature? That is mentioned, capacity to hold moisture. This soil has capacity to hold moisture for longer period, longer time, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. If rainfall occurs, or if we irrigate this farm, then that soil holds moisture for a long period, 7 to 10 days also. So that's why we need not to irrigate again and again. That is the best and unique feature of this soil. Now this soil is having clayey material. It is somewhat sticky. When this soil get mixed with water, and if we move to that farm, so this soil will stick to our foot or to our shoes or to our sandal. So this is sticky when it gets hydrated. Now this soil is having some nutrients. Let us see which are nutrients found in this soil, that is calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash and lime. Now this soil is poor in one particular nutrient, that is phosphoric content. So it is rich in calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash and lime, but it is poor. Poor means there is no or low quantity of this material, that is phosphoric content. Now when this soil gets dry, then huge cracks will be developed. Huge cracks. Let us see that cracks here. You can see here such cracks when there is summer season, when there is no irrigation, that time such cracks will be developed. Why? Because this soil gets shrunk. ये soil सिकुड़ जाती है, जब सूखती है तो सिकुड़ जाती है. And when again irrigation will be done, again this soil will be hydrated. That time this soil will expand and these cracks will be vanished. ये cracks यहाँ से खत्म हो जाएंगे और ये soil पूरी की पूरी mix होते हुई दिखेगी. So this is the another feature that is called cracks. And earlier one feature I have discussed, that is sticky. This soil is sticky in its nature. Let us see here. These soils are sticky when wet and difficult to work on unless till immediately after the first shower. Means when this soil gets wet, then we cannot perform our work. We cannot work on the field because this soil becomes very sticky and it will be difficult for farmers. When first shower comes, it becomes very sticky. Let us turn towards next type, that is red and yellow soil. Red soil develops on crystalline igneous rock. Crystalline igneous rock. We have already studied that igneous rock is having several minerals and one of the important mineral is iron. So due to iron oxides, due to diffusion of iron, this soil turns into red and yellow color. If any question comes for 1 mark, why this soil is looking like red and yellow? Because the iron which is available in igneous rock, and when the diffusion of iron occurs, that time this soil converts, this soil turns into red and yellow color. Now this soil is found in the areas of low rainfall in eastern and southern parts of Deccan Plateau. We shall see in map eastern and southern part of Deccan Plateau. Yellow and red soils are also found in parts of Orissa, Chhattisgarh, southern parts of Middle Ganga Plain and along the Piedmont zone of Western Ghat. So this is the area, location. In every soil we need to mention our point location. So this is the location, eastern and southern part of Deccan Plateau, then Orissa, Chhattisgarh, southern part of Middle Ganga Plain as well as Piedmont zone. Piedmont Plain, the plain which is developed at the foothill of any mountain. Now we have already discussed why this soil looks red or yellow. These soils develop a reddish color due to diffusion of iron. In which rock? In crystalline जिसमें छोटे छोटे पीसेस टुकड़े होते हैं, crystalline and metamorphic rock. Crystalline और metamorphic rock में जो आयन है, उस आयन के डिफ्यूजन की वजह से this soil looks reddish color. अब ये येलो क्यों दिखती है? It looks yellow when it occurs in a hydrated form. When this soil gets wet, जब ये soil गीली हो जाती है तब that time it looks in yellow color. Now let us see the exact location of this red and yellow soil. It is mentioned in this index, red and yellow soil. So let us start here. First of all, Piedmont zone of Western Ghat, where Western Ghat or its where the slope of Western Ghat gets finished there. Then next is Eastern and Southern Deccan Plateau. Then here in Seven Sister States. Then here southern part of Ganga Plain. So these are the areas of low rainfall. These areas developed this red and yellowish soil. Let us see here also in southern part. It extended up to the southern tip of India. Let us see next type of soil, that is laterite soil. Laterite has been derived from Latin word later and it means brick. So that's why this soil looks like the color of brick. The laterite soil develops in areas with high temperature and heavy rainfall. So there are some places in India which receives heavy rainfall like Western Ghat and Meghalaya. So this soil covers very small area in India. Now if there is high temperature, then there will be no humus or less humus content in this soil. Because of temperature, micronutrients or microorganisms, what happens with that microorganisms? They are in very low proportion. That's why there is low content of humus. Humus, it is decayed or decomposed material on the uppermost layer of the soil. That is fertile area, fertile part of the soil, humus. So humus content is very low. Let us see here. Humus content of the soil is low because most of the microorganisms, particularly the decomposers like bacteria, get destroyed due to high temperature. So high temperature is suitable for the formation of this soil, but this same high temperature is responsible for the destruction of decomposers. That's why these decomposers are not successful to increase humus in this soil. Now the next point is about some important methods. Through that methods we can produce in this laterite soil. So laterite soils are suitable for cultivation with adequate doses of manures and fertilizers. Maybe humus content is low, no problem, but human beings, we people, can have proper management and we shall provide adequate doses of manure and fertilizer. Proper doses, ठीक से अगर fertilizer और manure दे तो we are successful to produce in this laterite soil. Now what are the areas? Let us see the areas which are having maximum rainfall. So location is, these soils are mainly found in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and hilly areas of Orissa and Assam. So these are the areas, location we can see here. Now the people of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, the people of these three states, they used appropriate conservative techniques in hilly areas, because hilly area is not suitable for agriculture, but still they used this hilly area properly by step farming or different methods. Through that methods they are successful to produce tea, coffee and some other crops also. Now in this laterite soil there is another type, red laterite soils. Red laterite soils in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala are most suitable for crops like cashew nuts. So this is laterite soil. Now let us see in map. Let us see this color, laterite soil. This is the part of Tamil Nadu. Here it is the part of Kerala and Karnataka. One very small part is lying here. Then some parts of Madhya Pradesh, it is also here. Then this is the another part, and the part of heavy rainfall in Meghalaya, and here it is another small part where this laterite soil is available. Thank you very much.